Here's another prime example of the Volkswagen logo coming loose on the hubcap. It's pretty much half loose right now. Going through my regular routine, doing brakes. Who's responsible? Am I supposed to take my time to glue this? Am I supposed to tell the customer, hey, your emblem is about to fall off, it's going to cost you X amount of dollars for me to glue it, and hope that that glue also holds for 10-15 years like it did factory? You know, at what point does the customer take some responsibility about his or her car? That logo is still okay. What if that one falls off and I did the rear brakes and I glued this one? Are they going to be upset about that one? Not me not gluing it? You know, it's a no-win situation. In my mind, I shouldn't have to do anything. If it falls off, it falls off. If they want a new hubcap, they get a new hubcap or a used one, and then they have the same problem down the road. Age, people. Age. This car is 17 years old. You know? People get old too. Knee pain, joint pain. Erections don't last as long anymore. Another day, another missing emblem. Ooh, look, it's missing. Oh, that one's okay. Uh-oh, that one's missing.